Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain you how we can create the function blocks in the Siemens PLC S7-300. So let's go to the topic. We will open our S7-300 software schematic manager for the S7-300 PLC. Click next and create here a new project which name you like to be give the project. Sorry, this here we have to be first select our PLC, which PLC model you have. You can see it CPU 312, and which PLC you have, you can select it here. I have a model that CPU 314IFM, this model, so I will select this one and click next. Here he asking for which language you like to be create. You like to create STL language, you like to be create ladder, you like to be FBAD. Which language you are expert, you can choose. But I referred start from choose the ladder language and click next. Here he is asking for project name. What project you like to be create, that's name you can be defined. For example, we will give the name star delta star underscore delta delta pro pro. So this already one program created, so it's game name. That's okay, nothing issue. When your program is created, you can see here is a star delta program is ready, and which model is CPU 314IFM is ready. And here you can, how you can create the first, we have to be check this function blocks. So right click on this one and insert new object, and here you can see this is the function block. Click on this one, and here you have to be give the name first, which you like to be name give for your function block. So I give the name to this function block, example star delta, and click enter. And now your function block is ready it here. So just double click on this one, and here you have to be create your design, whatever you like to be make, which program, how to I create that. For example, this star delta program, so we will create here the star delta program. Small ladder we will design for the this program. Go to the just first view and zoom factor and check mark on 200, because of this little good to visible. Next, here we will create first our logic. You have to be learn logic first, understand, after you will be create the program. So I will create this logic for this star delta program. Here comment also you can give. So I will start first that close input address for emergency or stop button. You can say this is my stop button, and here one we will take for start button, and next we will take one counter, sorry, timer, because of in start delta program we have to be use some counter. So this timer I will choose for this, and here I will take just little holding for this my timer and our main control. Open contact I will take one and click on branch, and your this system will be ready for this system the holding. And here we will take one down branch, and just I will take one close contact, and again one close contact, and one coil we will take for this is first our star contactor. And next we will take one more line here and make it down. Just I will take one open contact, and because of this is first open contact, close contact I am using for my this timer. Little I will explain you how this ladder works. This is must be carefully read this video. After you this program complete understand, and you can design in your PLC. This contact I am choosing for this one of the timer close contact, and this is I will choose the timer for open contact, because of when we push give the supply to this timer, after our supply start this first star contactor, and this when time will be up, after this open contact will be start our next delta contactor. So next we will choose one more close contact for this interlock of this contactors, and output one I take, and also next one more line I will branch make, and here we will take the open contact and of our start contact, and one output we will take for delta contactor, no sorry, main contactor. This is our star we will design, and this is delta, and this we will design for our main contactor. So one more holding I will take for this contactor open contact and make the up for this is main contactor. So this is almost our ladder is completed, and here now we have to be give the variable names. First, for example, this will they give the name stop, stop. It is right. This is like to be give the stop contact name. This we will sorry, and this is also we will make arrange this all stop, and this we will make for start, start, start. And this we will choose for the holding, for example main, just main contactor if you like to be type like this one CONT, and click enter. This is your holding contact of your main contactor, and this same we have to be give that name here also, same this main contactor. And this we have to be give here name of the timer, for example t td, for example if I give this name, so this is our timer. And this here we have to be give name same, we can give this tv set value, which how much time you like to be used for this timer, and this is tv yani time value. And here we can choose this one td contactor, and also this one we will choose for star contactor, no sorry delta, delta, delta. And here we will choose our str star for our star contactor, and here we will give the name for variable td. And this next also we will give the change name for star star, because of this the interlock for this star contactor. And here we can give the delta name and click enter. And here we can give the address start, start, because of when we push this one, after this one this contactor needs to be on, and second this contactor our main contactor needs to be on. Here also we will give the name for main underscore CNT contact. This is our main contactor, and here we can also give the name for this one main underscore CNT contact. And almost this is all our variables are completed. Now we have to be define these variables. So just for define you have to be go into the first inputs. Here is some inputs and some outputs. Which is your inputs you have to be defined for inputs, and which is for outputs you have to be defined for outputs. So this is first we will give the name input. Here give the variable name, for example same name we will choose for this is stop yani sorry stop, and click enter. And next is start, start and click enter. And next is your td, enter. And next is your tv, this is also your input address tv. And yeah, this is now almost this is completed. But this td you have to be give this not a bool, this you have to be change the name, because of this is td is timer value you have to be give. So you have to be choose timer, scroll down, this is the timer. Now it's your variable is defined is okay. And here is tv also, This TV also you can't give the bool, you have to be give the address is here, this one S5 time. This is the specific yani setting of this Siemens PLC S300. You have to be when use the timer and set value you like to be choose, you have to be choose S5 time. So this you have to be design. So in next you have to be choose outputs, and here you have to be define your outputs. For example, first is my STR star contactor, and next is our DLTA delta contactor, and third is our main underscore CONT contactor. Yeah, this is our main contactor. So almost our all variables are also complete, and after this creation you have to be must save this project and click yes. And now you have to be go again your main program, go to here your main program, which is the where window. Yeah, this is your window, and here you have to be go main OB. When you go to the main OB, I will make it little bit this zoom factor, sorry, zoom factor go to the 200, and it's very good visible. And here you have to be create here also, you can see if you go to the blocks, after your function blocks you can see your one function block is ready. So this function block you have to be take it here in your main program. So you can pick and drop there, also can be ready, and double click also you can be take it this one. But in this star delta this function block also is asking for some information here. What he is asking for, because of when you're making this create function blocks, this also needs some data which you like to be store this data, you have to be choose data blocks. So this data block for you have to be how you can choose, just only write db1 when you choose, or db2, that's depend on your choice, and click enter. And after he is asking the intense data block db1 does not exist, do you want to generate it? He say there is not have any other data blocks, so you like to be create new, so click on yes. And after your data block is completed, now in this db1 also have a one next function block, your star delta function block. And here you have to be give the addresses for your PLC, which addresses you are like to be using in the PLC, that you have to be give. For example, this stop address I will give I124.1, and this I will make it down little, so it will be not disturb us. So second address for start push button, I will give my address input I124.0 and click enter. And here you have to be give the timer number, which like number timer you like to be used. For example, T0 I like to be used, so click on T0. And here you have to be give time for your program, how much time you give to this timer which you are using T0. So how can put the time, we have to be put S5T, and after H10 or 5 whatever you like to be set this one, certain 10 seconds I will put, sorry here 1 also 10 S you have to be right, after this will be accept. So now okay. And after this one star contactor, which address you like to be give, Q address is Q124.0 I choose for star, and that one Q124.1 is I will choose for delta contactor, and this one Q124.2, that's I will choose for uh, choose for main contactor. When we give the push to the when we push the start button, after our main contactor will be start, and star contactor will be start. And after when finish the time, yani which time set value 10 seconds, after the star will be close, and our delta will be run. So this function also you have to be save. And after go back to your program. uh, yeah, this is now three blocks are ready: a main organization block and your function block and your 1 dB. So complete all this we have to be download to our PLC. So click on download. Here also you can go download. Click on yes. Again click yes. For one of object successful, and again I will reconfirm yes all. Yeah, this is all are ready, and we will go to the our main organization block and click enter. And here we will go to the monitor section, and when you start monitoring, after you can see our PLC is healthy and it's in run condition. And now you can focus on at on this three contactors. Look like this is our first star, this is delta, and this is our main. As I give the signal at I 124.0 for the start any contactor, so our star and main contactor should be need to on. As per seen, our two contactors are ready, star contactor and main contactor. And after 10 seconds, this star contactor will be closed and our delta contactor will be energized. As per seen, you can see now our two outputs are on, and this main output is also, sorry, star on contactor input is now off. So this way we can create the function blocks also. Now this is user defined function block. You can design in any program how many times you like to be define this your program. This is just ready this one. And also if you like to be stop this one, click on give signal at I 124.1, your program will be start. And if you like to be monitor from or troubleshoot or some modification or like to check your block, again go to your main page and go to the function block. And here when you go, after you can see is your program is ready. And also you can go for monitoring and click on yes, okay. And here also you can see your ladder will be also monitored. As I give the signal at I0.1, but here's addresses cannot be seen. And also one most important thing here, don't write any addresses here, only just variables you have to be write. And addresses you have to be go, and in function that data block you have to be write in main organization block. So see, I will give the signal at I0.0, sorry, I 124.0, and now you can see our star contactor is running and our main contactor is running. See, and this one now this star is closed after 10 seconds, and our this two contactors are running. This one delta, and this is main contactor. So hope guys you will enjoy this video and you understand about this control. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.